It's a semi-state of the mind. The sidewalks of Philadelphia, gunsling bacon. Sidewalks, Texas, and bad eggs. In the moonlight, to get fired, Jesus. In a pantomime, full of penguins full of time to real when a hero comes along like a burning evolution. God, rolling at the mouth like the coaster that talks in convention. Reality landslides won't be just forever. The gravel lies waiting to scrape up your chest to be the best. The salt water ruin the clean roads. And Mossy's got an insane look, looking for a better deal. Like a string bull made into an Italian sweater. Last 1,000 years more than a company. Bodies laid out on a ritual.
Corrupted in your steering human comes the time share around toast home cooking out drink pies chocolate in the car like a solid state silly in the time watching you mine you too can be from national just become the astronaut in there are 20% off brand names you never heard it don't matter to Monty if you believe in the laws you too can be from national. Just become the astronaut in the mirror. In the air, all the HYPERCOLOUR cereal, a real homegrown ghetto gangster to the word from the underground. And in the pipes they smoke to the roll with them, use them coast to coast them. They see right through the vapor and whitewash conversations. We are so brave, investigate how well without we stand up and be abandoned. This ain't no desert ship, and we believe ain't no land whale. And Mossy drives the rocket ship and leaves. You want to live in the weather house, you whale back with a crack. And holding in your neckline and lining up your corset lines. White lace, lily lady, pumping waters, every day getting the right daunting.